Hello everyone on YouTube, welcome back. This is Jordan Livesey bringing you another Braille Sense YouTube video, and today I'm going to cover the word processing features of the Braille Sense U2. But before we begin, what is a word processor? Well, it's simple. A word processor is a piece of software designed to create documents of any type. So we're going to check out this amazing word processor. So what I gotta do is make sure that my Braille Sense is in the program menu. Quick way of doing this is pressing function key 1,
File manager.
which it is. So now I've just got to press space until I hear it say word processor,
Word processor.
which I want to press enter on. And immediately I should be in a blank
Top of
document. Now, you might not be able to see this, but this here is the Braille display, and at the top left is a Braille cursor, dots 7 and 8. So if I was to press space on that,
Space.
you could see the cursor's moved. Or if I tapped in, say, my name for instance,
J-O-R-D-A-N.
you can now see that the cursor has replaced its previous spot with the letters I have on my name. What the Braille display does, it comprises of 8 pins, and each crystal moves each pin to create a dot. The cells on the Braille display are really delicate, so you've got to be really careful with them. Next thing, now I'm going to write something that I'm interested in.
Jordan.
For instance, let's say, you know already.
What? Yamaha. PSR. 510.
The Yamaha PSR 510 keyboard, for instance. So, if you want to go through a different line of text, you just simply press these capsule-shaped keys, and your display will go through all of it. So let's say we wanted to find a specific word in a document. So the quickest way to do this is to go to Find, space with F,
Text to find. Edit box.
and we're in an edit box where we can type in the text to find. So let's say we wanted to find the word Yamaha,
A.
and it would immediately
Yamaha PSR 510.
take us to where that word was. The cursor brings us to the top of the word, so we can just delete one of the letters if we wanted to, or edit it if we ever went wrong.
End of document.
There are times where you could be reading a document, maybe a book, or maybe a news article, and you want to quit reading the document and return back to your previous spot. You could do it that way because the word processor will instantly resume back from where you left off, although you can set marks in your actual document. To do this, we press enter with M,
Mark name. Computer
and it'll
edit
ask
box.
us for a mark name. Now, a mark name is usually associated with 26 letters of the alphabet, so you'll want to use 26 letters. So let's say we wanted a mark X,
Mark X.
and we have a mark X, although it doesn't show in the Braille display because marks aren't usually indicated. You see, the Braille Sense is not like the Braille Note Apex, it's a lot different, so we still have a lot more. We can open files in the word processor as well. All you got to do is press enter with O,
Open dialog box. File name. Edit combo box.
and it's asking us for a file name. It works exactly like that in Windows Explorer. You press tab,
Type. Combo box.
and it asks us for a type. In this case, you can select among the types using space, or depending,
RTM. Combo box.
space with dot 1 and 4.
PWD. Combo box.
Okay, so we've got PWD, so I don't know what kind of file that is.
FB2. Combo box.
FB2,
PPT.
PPT,
PPTX.
PPTX. PPT and PPTX are PowerPoint documents, by the way.
PPTM. Combo box.
PPTM, I believe that's another PowerPoint kind of file.
BRL.
BRL, which is a standard Braille file.
HBL. Combo box.
HBL file, which is basically the Braille Sense's software word file.
Doc. Combo box.
Doc, good old Microsoft Word.
BRF. Combo
And BRF, a plain Braille file.
TXT.
And
Combo
and
box.
you also have a text. You also have the option of opening text documents as well.
CSV. Combo box.
CSV basically stands for comma separated values, so you can open CSV files.
PTF. Combo box.
PTF files,
PBF. Combo box.
PBF,
Docs. Combo box.
and docx files, which are basically the new Microsoft Word files.
EPUB. Combo box.
EPUB, which is basically e-publishing,
PDF.
and
Combo
PDF,
box. HPF. Combo box.
and HPF. So you've got plenty of types of files to open in the word processor. So we're on all files at the moment. So let's just
File name.
browse the files. At the moment, we're in the My Documents folder. So what I'm going to do is go to a different folder
List item favorites folder 677
and go into the Downloads folder.
7 database download folder 2 floppy folder 50 ballot folder ballroom folder 4
I've got so many MIDI files, I can't actually open these in the word processor.
Supported document type.
Yes, if you try and open a document that's not supported in the word processor, you'll get that message. But it looks like I don't have any other documents open at the moment, other than this one. So let's just work with this document right now. To insert a date into the document, there's a quick way of doing it. You just press Enter and W,
Insert date completed.
and the date is inserted into the document. So we have November 28th, 2018.
End of document.
You can also insert the
Enter.
time.
Blank.
I think it's backspace and W.
Insert time completed.
Yep. And the time is also inserted into the document too. You can also...
File pull down. Edit pull down. Menu. Go to pull down. Read pull down. Layout pull down.
There are many fun
Menu.
things in this word processor that I can't wait to show off in later presentations. So that's just a basic overview of the word processor.
Yes. Save as dialog box.
Now I've just exited the word processor, and it's asking us what we want to save the file as, and the default is file name no name .doc. Now .doc is basically the Microsoft Word extension, but you can change the type of file that you want to save it as.
Type. Doc. Combo box. BRF. TXT. HPF. RTF. BRL. HBL. Doc. Combo box.
So you have 7 types of file there. Note that if you save it as an HPF, you'll have to set a password. The HPF extension stands for HIMS Protected File.
BRF.
So we're
Combo
just going to
box.
save it as a Braille file,
Saving.
and it's saved.
Save completed.
If
Word
you
processor.
If you enjoyed this word processor presentation, be sure to watch some more amazing videos of the Braille Sense that I have performed. And if you want to know if you want to know more about this channel, watch my first video, Get to Know Me, Jordan Livesey. You can also follow me on Twitter by going to www.twitter.com/JordanLivesey91 or email jordanlivesey9@gmail.com. Once again, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like this video and be notified of any other videos I uploaded. Once again, thank you very much for watching.